talk about the Romil Vora encounter, I have currently with me Additional Commissioner of the Police, Pramod Kumar Kushwaha, sir. So tell us about this encounter. What led to this encounter?
Yesterday night we had received a very specific information from Haryana Police, STF, that Romil Vora, who is a wanted criminal in Haryana and Delhi as well, he would be crossing Delhi border, and he is coming basically to commit a crime either in Delhi or Haryana. Acting on this information, border pickets were set in and checking was being conducted at border pickets adjoining Faridabad, Faridabad Delhi border. In the early morning hours, he was spotted at one of the pickets where a joint team of Haryana STF and Delhi was conducting checking. He was warned to surrender on identification, and he was warned that police party was in uniform rather. So instead of surrendering, he started firing at police. Two policemen, they sustained injury in that firing. Police also fired in self-defense, and Romil also sustained injury. All the three, they were rushed to nearest Max Hospital in government vehicle, and where Romil was declared dead. Two police people are recuperating after treatment. Romil is wanted in sensational murder cases of Yamunanagar, wherein last year he along with his associates had murdered three businessmen, excise liquor businessmen. It was a very brutal murder which was done on 26th December. Then again on 14th of June this very year, he had murdered one liquor businessman, Shantanu, brutally again in Yamunanagar. He was working for Noni Nara, who is a brother of gangster Kala Rana. Kala Rana was extradited from Thailand by Delhi Police Special Cell only. So now the reign of the gang is with Noni Rana, who is sitting somewhere abroad, most probably shifting between Canada and USA. And he is basically running this syndicate. So this is basically a message to these syndicates that we have ample ways. In fact, in new BNSS, even this heads who are sitting outside, we'll be prosecuting them in absentia because BNSS permits that, and we'll be making better efforts to extradite them.
Sir, in the investigation, is there any specific reason that he's targeting only liquor, businessmen?
Because of the kind of money that is involved with liquor businesses, so they are targeting liquor business.
Thank you so much for joining News 9, sir.